Christian McCaffrey, also known by the initial CMC, is an American football running back for the San Francisco 49ers of the National Football League. Christian Jackson McCaffrey was born in Castle Rock, Colorado on June 7, 1996, the son of former Stanford and NFL wide receiver Ed McCaffrey and former Stanford soccer player Lisa McCaffrey. He attended Regis Jesuit High School in Aurora, Colorado for his freshman year and then Valor Christian High School in Highlands Ranch, Colorado under coach Brent Vieselmeyer for the rest of his high school career. He played running back, wide receiver, cornerback and punter. He broke numerous Colorado high school records including career total touchdowns, career all-purpose yards, career touchdown receptions and single-season all-purpose yards. He was the Gatorade Football Player of the Year for Colorado in both 2012 and 2013. He also played basketball. McCaffrey holds numerous NFL and Panthers franchise records and is one of 3 players ever to record 1,000 rushing and 1,000 receiving yards in the same season, doing so in 2019. McCaffrey was traded to the 49ers during the 2022 season and won the Offensive Player of the Year award in his second season with the team as he led the league in scrimmage yards and touchdowns en route to an appearance in Super Bowl LVIII. He played college football for the Stanford Cardinals and was selected by the Carolina Panthers 8th overall in the 2017 NFL Draft. As a sophomore in 2015, McCaffrey was named AP College Football Player of the Year and was a finalist for the Heisman Trophy. He holds the NCAA record for most all-purpose yards in a season with 3,864. The Carolina Panthers selected McCaffrey in the first round with the 8th overall pick in the 2017 NFL Draft. He was the second running back taken after 4th overall pick Leonard Fournette. On May 4, 2017, the Carolina Panthers signed McCaffrey to a 4-year, $17.2 million contract with a signing bonus of $10.7 million. McCaffrey made his NFL season debut in the Panthers season opener against the San Francisco 49ers and recorded 47 rushing yards, 38 receiving yards and a lost fumble in a 23-3 victory. On April 16, 2020, McCaffrey signed a 4-year, $64 million contract extension with the Panthers through the 2025 season, making him the highest paid running back in NFL history. In 2022 season, in the season opener against the Cleveland Browns, McCaffrey had 14 carries for 57 yards and 1 touchdown in a 24-26 defeat. Through the first 6 games with the Panthers, McCaffrey had 393 rushing yards, 277 receiving yards, 3 total touchdowns and 670 scrimmage yards. McCaffrey was traded to the 49ers on October 20, 2022 in exchange for a 2nd, 3rd and 4th round pick in the 2023 NFL Draft and a 5th round pick in the 2024 Draft. McCaffrey was productive in the postseason for the 49ers in the wildcard round against the Seattle Seahawks. He had 15 carries for 119 rushing yards to go with a receiving touchdown in the 41-23 victory. He had a rushing touchdown in the 19-12 victory over the Dallas Cowboys in the divisional round. In the 49ers playoff game against the Green Bay Packers in the divisional round, McCaffrey had 17 carries for 98 yards and 2 touchdowns, as well as 7 receptions for 30 yards. McCaffrey scored the game-winning touchdown on a 6-yard run in the 24-21 victory. In the 2024 NFC Championship game against the Detroit Lions, McCaffrey finished with 20 carries for 90 yards and 2 touchdowns, as well as 4 receptions for 42 yards as the 49ers would come back from a 24-7 deficit at halftime to win 34-31 en route to Super Bowl LVIII.